Hello, and welcome to our story of why we decided to start selling hyperbaric oxygen therapy chambers to people with MS. So, a couple of months ago, I was at a barbecue and a chance encounter with a gentleman who was staying with relatives in Great Britain. He's actually British but lives in America, and he asked me what I did. So we've been selling longevity devices, anti-aging devices since 2005, and I mentioned about the hyperbaric oxygen therapy, the cryotherapy. He's like, whoa. So his eyes lit up and he's like, well, tell me more, how will that help with the MS? So I explained about the reduction in inflammation. So he asked for my card. I thought that was the end of that. You know, it's like barbecues and parties, people show interest and you never hear from them again. Anyway, next day, James called, much to my surprise. We got chatting and I said, well, why don't you come over? Well, I know this will work for you. Let's get 30 sessions in and take it from there. Well, I only ever thought that was just going to be a favour and James would say, thank you very much, and we'll be done. But what actually, even after a week, the results we've seen and the improvement was fantastic. And we really realised we're onto something here. This can help a lot of people just due to the improvement in his walking. In fact, we have a case study. We've got two. We've got a week after and at the end of 4 weeks of James's improvements. So we thought, we need to do something about this. So that's why the Skin Repair Group now specialise in hyperbaric oxygen therapy chambers for people with MS. I've also written a book on ways to help improve. Some of the coaching I was doing with James also yielded at the end great results, things like taking extra vitamin C. We did some sleep coaching and optimized his sleep, increased his water intake, and got him, he didn't like this, but got him having cold showers. So there's quite a lot of things that that we do with our anti-age and stuff, and I do personally, which have massive parallels for MS. So there we go. If you have a look around the website and any questions, get in touch with us. Thank you.